In this video, I'll put you through on how to clear search history on your YouTube app for iPhone. Let's just get right into it. First is to tap on your YouTube app. As the YouTube app opens, tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right because here I'm using iPhone. Then on tapping on that, tap on the gear icon, which is the settings. Once you're on this settings page, scroll down until you see this manage all history. Tap there. On tapping on that, you will see some things you have searched. Okay, you can see today and a lot of days up to 36 or let's say 35 months. All right, so in that section where you have that calendar kind of icon, tap on delete. On tapping on delete, you will see delete today, you see delete custom range, and you see delete all, depending on what you want to achieve. Here, I want to delete all my search history. So tap on delete all time, okay? Then, the next step is to tap on the delete button, which is at the bottom right. And I will tap on got it. So with this, I can go back home and I will have a fresh interface. All right, if I get to the YouTube home, I'll have a fresh interface. If I tap on the search, you will see automatically I don't have anything I have searched here. But before, you see a few things I have searched already. This is important for security reason. Maybe you use a mobile device with someone. I don't want him to track what you searched previously.